Now let's talk about affiliate marketing models. Affiliate marketing is not limited to earning commissions from direct sales. Affiliate marketing is actually broad and also includes other marketing models that pays you when you drive some other specific actions like software download, clicks, and website registration. Affiliate marketing model where you get paid for making a sale is known as cost per sale or pay per sale marketing. These other models, besides making a sale, fall under the broader category of cost per action or CPA marketing. In CPA marketing, you don't need to make a sale to earn commission. Your referrer only needs to complete a specific action other than making a sale. Some of these include cost per lead or CPL, where you earn a commission for every lead generated, such as when a user fills out a form or signs up for a free trial. Then cost per install or CPI, where you get paid when a user installs a software or app. Then cost per view or CPV, where you earn based on the number of views a video content receives. Then cost per engagement or CPE, where you earn a commission when users engage with specified content such as liking, sharing, or clicking an ad. Then cost per registration or CPR, where you earn a commission for each user who registers on the website, and so on. For example, this is a software recommendation website, and let's say this is your website. If a user clicks on your affiliate link on this page, it will direct the user to this software download site where they can download and install the software. The goal here is not to make a sale directly. Instead, you earn a commission each time someone downloads and installs this software, regardless of whether they make a purchase or pay for the upgrade later. Both cost per sale and cost per action marketing models offer unique benefits and challenges. CPS or cost per sale model, for example, provide higher earning potential but requires effective marketing strategies to convert clicks and leads into sale. On the other hand, cost per action marketing model offer lower risk and easier conversion but typically come with lower commissions. In this course, our primary focus will be on cost per sale marketing. We are going to cover it comprehensively from start to finish. I'll be covering cost per action or CPA marketing in another free course, so make sure to watch out for that free course. Coming up next, we'll discuss the types of products you can promote with cost per sale affiliate marketing. We'll also review commission structures and average commission rates based on the industry and the product types. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lesson.